The harbour d meters can be modelled by the following equation, right? So do you know what I'm thinking straight away? I'm thinking table function with radians, and I'm going to figure out what the depths are at different times. Interval of 2.5. Why am I getting interval of 2.5? Do you notice they're going up in 2.5s? So what we're going to do is going to get here. I'm going to go shift. Oh, every time. Shift, setup, angle unit, and radians. Right. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go menu, table function. Okay, lads, we're gonna enter in this 4 plus 2 sine. Okay, get the fraction button ready, and we're gonna go for pi x because we can't use pi t. So it's gonna be what's it, pi, and then alpha x. Did anybody think of doing this? Oh, thank God, it's one of you. No. Yeah, yeah. Jesus goes up. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to start at 0, and we're going to end at how much? 25, and we're going to do step of 2.5, and we have numbers now, don't we? So 4, 6, 4, 2. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, 4, 6, 4, 2. I wonder if it's just going to keep doing that. All right, let me have a look. Are you in radians? And did you use 2 sine pi x over 5? All right, guys. Now, anyways, I'm all the way up to 10. Back to 4 again. And then, what is it then after that? 6. And then keep going. 6, 4. Is it doing the same thing again? Is it all 4s and is it all this? Without even looking. Yeah, Grant. Now, guys, there's a lot of info in the equation itself, though, isn't there? So, example is we know that the midline is what? What's the midline going to be? 4. And we know that, so the midline is 4. And we know that the amplitude is 2. So that rises it all the way up to 6. And then all the way down to 2. So we knew that already. We knew what high and low tide was straight away. We have all that info, okay? Now, boat wants to enter the harbour at 2 p.m. What is the depth of the water at this temperature? Does it tell you to draw the graph? Oh, it tells you to sketch the graph. So we're going to have to sketch that graph, right? Are you guys all right with me just using the GeoGebra function as my sketch? Perfect. All right. I guess somebody to call it out now for me. Resume. All right. So we just used GeoGebra to get our graph, okay? Just to save a bit of time. Yes, sir? Hey, that's okay. I'm gonna crop it, so you'll see the 25. Oh yeah, yeah. I get you. So there should be an extra bit at the end for 25. Is that okay? Hopefully it doesn't affect my answers. Now, what we're going to do here is you can see quite clearly, okay? So if I make this slightly larger, it's a bit on the small side now. If I make that slightly larger, okay? What's the value for 2? 2.5, wasn't it? So 2.5 would be somewhere around here, wouldn't it? So 2.5 was 6, wasn't it? What was the next one then? 4 was 5, yeah? 5 was 4. Then the next one was 6 point what? Oh, 7.5 is that dot there. And then 10 was worth 4. So these are the dots you would have gotten. Yeah. And then 4 would have been here. That's 15. 17.5, yeah? So lads, these are the x values. What's that one again? This one here, 12.5. I'm just putting in the X values for you just so you know what one's what. So does everybody get that? You could draw that quite quickly, yeah? Perfect. All right. Now, we're going to go upwards now, and we're going to see what the story is. A boat wants to enter the harbour at 2 p.m. Find the depth of water at this time. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. They want an X value of, lads, an X value of 2, right? Now, 2 p.m. Does it? Oh, midnight. So 2 p.m. is actually a T value of 14. So a T value of 14 because it's 2 p.m., not 2 a.m. So we have to go all the way to 14. So let's go all the way to 14 and we go up. Now, once again, and you go across. Now, if I'm in an exam, no worries. I'm saying that's roughly just about 5.1-ish, but we have the option of manipulating our table function. And what I could do by manipulation of the table function is I could do start at 12 for argument's sake, end at 14, and do a step of 1, and that will kick out exactly the correct answer for 14. Yeah, the answer is 5.2. So I don't even have to guess that. So I could just say no bother, it's 5.2, rounded off, and I don't even have to estimate it. I'm just saying 5.2 meters all day. You okay with that? Okay, next thing. Ideally, the depth of the water should be 5 meters for the boat to pass safely. Estimate the times of day. Estimate the times of day is best for the boat to pass into the harbour. Best for the boat to pass into the harbour. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Just going to rub out all this, okay? Now, lads, I'm going to draw a horizontal line for 5 meters. Everybody see the horizontal line for 5 meters? I'm drawing a line straight across. Anytime that line hits the graph, I'm going to drop down and look for a time. You cool with that? So here we go. First time. Second time. Third time. What about the fourth time, do you reckon? Fourth time. And then fifth time. Now, guys, once again, personally speaking, I don't like estimation too much. Bit OCD about stuff like that. So here's what I'm going to do instead. I'm going to go back to my table function. And once again, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to end at 25. But I'm going to go in a step of 1. And I'm going to see roughly where it kicks in at 5 meters. I'm hoping I'll have a more accurate look at it. So somewhere between 0 and somewhere in the first hour. So we know it's definitely less than 1. So I might argue that that could be 50 minutes. So I might say 0.50. Is that okay? As an estimate. Then I'll keep going down towards the 4-hour mark. Just after 4 hours. Yeah, maybe 4 hours, 10 minutes. Somewhere in that ballpark. Okay, now I'm going to go up towards 11. And I think it'll be the same deal again. 11 is 5.1, so I'm just going to say 10.50. Okay, listen. And then after that, what are we going to say about 14? Probably going to be 14.10, is it? I'm just doing 14.10 as a rough estimate. Like I am completely sure it is an estimate at the end of the day. And then last one is 21.10, I'd say, or yeah, no, before 21, 20.50, 10 minutes before it. Yeah, estimate being the keyword. You okay with that? Or is that the full question done? Wasn't that bad in the end?